Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'll guide you on how to create a shortcut for Google Trends on your desktop, making it easier to keep up with trending topics with just a click. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech advice. Alright, first of all, open your web browser. So I'm gonna open the Google Chrome browser from my desktop and type on the address bar trends.google.com. So I'm gonna type here trends.google.com. Press enter. And now if you want to create the shortcut of it, normally you have to click on the top right corner's three-dot icon and scroll down until you see cast, save and share. If you hover over there, you will see another option to create the shortcut. Click on that and click on create button. It's gonna create a Google Trend shortcut on your desktop. And every time if you click on that, it will redirect you to trends.google.com and it will also save your time. I think this video will help you a lot to access Google Trends in a short period of time with just a single click. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.